Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to set up workspace for Angular. So the first step is to download any IDE of your choice. So I'll recommend you by going for Visual Studio Code. So how to download Visual Studio Code? Go to Google and write download VS Code. The first link which you get, just go ahead with that. For different platforms, there are different things. Whichever platform you're using, you can go ahead with download. So here I'm using Windows. So in Windows, I'll go ahead with user installer and I'll download it. As Visual Studio Code is already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So the next step is to go ahead and download Node.js. So what you need to do, go and search for Node. So download Node. The first link which you get, just go ahead with that. And here also different platforms are available. You can download from any platform you want. I'm having Windows, so I'll go ahead with Window and I'll just download 64-bit as I'm having 64-bit. So Node is also already downloaded in my laptop. So I'll move ahead with that. So once your installation is complete, so in order to verify whether your installation has successfully completed or not, you go in your CMD and just write npm -v. So what is npm -v? npm -v will give you Node Package Manager version. Node Package Manager is something which comes along with Node. So if you get a correct version of npm, means your npm got installed successfully. Similarly, you go ahead and do Node -v. It will give you the version for your Node. So I am having 12.15.0, which is bare minimum for your Angular 9 setup. So once your Node and your npm gives out version, if you wish, you can also go and do code -v. Once all three things are giving you the correct information and data, it means your Node got installed successfully. So what is the next step? Next step is that now we are going to create an Angular application, but because our prerequisite for installation or creating Angular application was to have an IDE, to have Node. So now what we'll do, we'll go to our any of the folders which you want. So I have created my Angular project. So what I'll do, as I'm already having my Angular project. So once I'm inside my project or the directory which I created, now the next step is to go there and in this project only, or in this folder only, you are going to create your Angular application. So as soon as now what you need to do is that you go inside your Angular project and do ng new. So as soon as you do here ng new, so what will happen is that the new project creation from Angular CLI will start. But now if you do ng, as Angular CLI is already installed in me, it will not give any error. But if you write here ng new, what it will do, it will start giving you ng not found. Why ng is not found? Because you have not installed Angular CLI till now. So what will be the next step? You better go to this folder and write code space dot. And as soon as you enter it, if you have installed Visual Studio Code, your project will get open inside your Visual Studio Code. So this was the name of the directory which I created. So now the next step is you need to go to terminal, and in new terminal, what you need to do is that you just need to do npm install -g @angular/CLI. What it will do, it will install Angular CLI for you. And if you do not provide any version, it will go and install the latest version. So Angular CLI is already installed in me. So once your CLI installation is done, so in order to how you will check whether your installation was correct or not, what you need to do is that you need to write ng version. As soon as you write ng version, it will give you the version that is installed. So for us, what is happening? Angular CLI got installed. Angular CLI is having version of 9.1.7. It uses Node 12.15.0, and my operating system is Windows 64-bit. So those things you will receive. So once that step is completed, then again you need to write ng new. Now as ng is your Angular command or Angular CLI command. So once Angular CLI gets installed, you just need to do ng new. So as soon as you do ng new, it will ask whether you want to create a project with the same name of your directory or you want to give a new name. So I have given a new name here called demo app. So after doing this, you will get whether you want routing or not. As told, yes, if you want routing in your application, we'll discuss what is routing in next upcoming videos. But here you can either say yes or no based on your requirement. And this is for which flavor of CSS you want. Either you want to go ahead with normal CSS or you want some flavors like SAS or SCSS, whichever you want to go ahead with, you can select here and just hit enter. So the creation of project will start. So as soon as your package installation is successful, you will get a message. So after doing that, what I did, I just did ls. Ls is for searching what all things are inside your directory. So I got demo app. So demo app was the one which I created the project name. So once demo app is there, what I need to do, I need to go inside my demo app. So I did cd demo app. I went inside that demo app project. So now your Angular project is created. Now you wish to run it. So Angular by default provides you a HTML page when you run. So what command is there? It's ng-serve. As soon as you do your ng-serve, it will build the application and run that application. So as soon as you do ng-serve, a new thing has popped up that is called, would you like to share your anonymous data with Google? If you wish to share for analytics, you can do yes, but in most of the scenarios, you should do no. So I have done no here, and this compiling and everything is done. And here you get a message that on localhost 4200, your Angular application is running. So if I go here and I write, so this application is running, and you can see that your Angular is, the setup of your Angular is completed. So here, if you want to create a new component, you can get a command here. You can, if you want to test your project, you get command here. So this was the basic steps which we followed. I'll attach this document in the description section. You can go ahead with that as well. So here, our installation part is done. In next videos, we will go ahead and create components. Thanks everyone. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you are having any confusions, just go ahead and ask questions in the comment section. I will be very happy to solve your doubts during any of the installation phase for Angular. Thanks everyone. Bye.